White utility sink laundry tub with high arc chrome kitchen faucet by J.S. Jackson Supplies. Pull-down sprayer spout, heavy-duty slop sinks for washing room, basement, garage, or shop. Freestanding wash station tubs bring practicality and convenience into your laundry room, mudroom or washroom with this complete utility tub set. The large 19-gallon sink is constructed from high-quality, durable thermoplastic to accommodate all your scrubbing and soaking needs. Use the pull-out nozzle on the kitchen-grade metal faucet to direct the water where you want it to go, or move the spout out of the way completely so you can easily wash your bulky items. Box includes everything necessary for most standard installations, including stainless steel supply lines to hook up the hot and cold water, plastic drainage kit, P-trap, nuts, and washers, rubber stopper, non-metallic faucet, tub, legs with levelers, bonus thread seal tape and easy-to-follow installation instructions. Sturdy rust-proof metal legs attach easily, and the included floor levelers increase stability on uneven surfaces. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Complete laundry tub set. Bring practicality and convenience into your laundry room with this complete upgraded J.S. Jackson Supplies utility tub set. Now constructed from durable metal and ABS plastic for long-term usage. Updated and improved faucet is constructed with a metal base, handles, and metal-coated shanks for long-lasting, quality use. The high-end kitchen faucet adds style and greater functionality than a regular laundry faucet. Number 2. High arc chrome metal kitchen faucet with pull-down spout. The tall, graceful arc of the high-rise faucet gives you plenty of clearance for cleaning all your bulky and oversized items. Wash them easily without needing to maneuver around the faucet. The weighted pull-down sprayer lets you direct the water where you need it to go. Great for filling large pails or hosing down muddy objects. Toggle between a steady stream and a powerful spray with the touch of the button. Number 3. Practically indestructible tub. This high-quality white thermoplastic tub has a large 19-gallon capacity for all your laundry room needs. Soak, rinse and scrub with ease in this large sink with included strainer plug. Metal legs keep the tub stable even when it is filled with water. Adjust the foot levelers to the perfect height and level the tub on bumpy or uneven surfaces. Perfect for an unfinished basement or garage. Number 4. Not just for laundry. Treat your dog to a warm bath in this large slop sink, great for young children too. Use in your outdoor kitchens. Why haul your dirty pots and grill pieces inside to wash them when you can use this handy sink instead? If you're remodeling and need a temporary sink until the construction is completed, this is a perfect choice. When the renovations are done, simply move it into the garage or laundry room for further use. Number 5. Included. This kit includes a white tub, faucet, metal legs, foot levelers for stability, supply lines, drainage, and all hardware necessary to set up and install your new sink. Bonus thread tape ensures a leak-free connection. Illustrated step-by-step instructions take the guesswork out of the assembly. Dimensions: 33 3/4 inches high, with legs, by 22 7/8 inches wide by 23 3/8 inches deep. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.